With the new improvements in AI, we can actually make more money these days. These opportunities are really great for introverts who are seeking flexibility, autonomy, and minimal social interaction. The beauty of AI side hustles is that this involves a lot of creativity and also you are using the latest technology. And also you can do it independently, which is ideal for introverts who are looking for solitude and deep thinking. Also, many of these AI-related daily tasks can be performed remotely, eliminating the need for daily commutes or office interaction. This allows introverts to work from the comfort of their homes. The first side hustle for introverts is data labeling. Data labeling involves annotating data to train machine learning models. It's a task that requires focus and minimal interaction with others, which make it ideal for introverts. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk and Appen.com provide a variety of data labeling tasks. With this AI side hustle, you can earn from $5 to $20 per hour. Now let's look at a real-life example. For example, Maria Fernandez from Argentina works part-time for Appen, earning around $15 per hour, approximately $1,600 if working 40 hours per week. Maria uses her extra income to cover educational expenses and support her family, all while enjoying the quiet and flexibility of the job. Now let's move to the next one, which is AI-powered transcription services. AI-powered transcription services are perfect for those who are looking to have some solo work. There are many tools like Otter.ai and Rev.com which streamline the transcription process, allowing you to convert audio and video files into text with minimal social interaction. Considering the potential earnings, you can earn from $15 to $60 per hour of audio. Now let's look at a real-life example for this. John Davis from USA uses Otter.ai to transcribe podcasts and interviews, earning approximately $25 per audio hour. For the monthly earnings, he is earning around $800 if transcribing 32 hours of audio. John uses the funds for travel and leisure, appreciating the autonomy this side hustle is providing. As we go further, I will show you the highest earning side hustles. The next one in our list is virtual assistant services. As a virtual assistant, you can manage tasks such as scheduling, email management, and research from the comfort of your home. There are platforms like Upwork.com and tools like Trello.com, which make it easy to manage tasks efficiently. With this side hustle, you could be earning from $15 to $40 per hour. And now let's look at a real-life example. Emma Leo from Canada offers virtual assistant services through Upwork, earning around $30 per hour. He's actually making around $1,200 if he's working 40 hours per week. Emma uses the extra income to save for a home and invest in her personal development, enjoying the flexibility to work on her own terms. Now let's go to the next one, which is social media management with AI tools. Managing social media accounts using AI tools like Buffer.com and Hootsuite.com is a great way to work independently. These tools help schedule posts, analyze performance, with minimal social interaction required. With this AI side hustle, you can be earning from $15 to $50 per hour. Now let's look at a real-life example. Liam Patel from UK manages social media for local businesses, earning around $40 per hour. He's actually making around $1,600 per month if he's working 40 hours per week. He uses these extra earnings in hobbies and helps fund his children's education, finding satisfaction in the quiet nature of his work. Now let's go to the next one, which has higher earning potential. This is actually AI content writing. AI content writing involves creating articles, blog posts, and social media content using tools like Jasper.ai. It allows for a solitary work environment with minimal social interaction. You could be earning from $20 to $100 per article. Now let's look at a real-life example. Here we have Sophia Kim from South Korea who writes blog posts using Jasper. She's earning between $50 and $100 per article. She's actually making around $1,500 per month by writing only 15 articles. Sophia uses this income to enhance her lifestyle and save for future travels, enjoying the peace and solitude of her writing process. The next one in our list is AI art and graphic design. For introverts with a creative edge, AI art and graphic design using tools like artbreeder.com offer a solitary work environment. You can create and sell digital art on platforms like Etsy.com. For example, let's look at Aidan Murphy from Ireland, who creates digital art using Artbreeder and sells it on Etsy. He's making around $50 per piece, earning around $1,200 if selling 24 artworks. Aidan is using these earnings to fund his art studio and support local art initiatives, enjoying the quiet and creative nature of his work. If you enjoyed the video so far, please go ahead and like this video, and thank you for all your support. Coming up is the higher earning AI side hustle, which is AI powered market research. Conducting market research with AI tools involves analyzing data to help businesses make informed decisions. Platforms like SEMrush.com and Ahrefs.com are key for this type of work. You could be earning from $50 to $200 per any report you create. For example, we can see here Olivia Martinez from Spain, who prepares market research reports using SEMrush. She's earning around $150 per report. With just completing 12 reports, she's able to make $1,800 per month. Olivia uses her earnings to invest in stocks and save for retirement, appreciating the focused and independent nature of her work. Now let's move to the next one, which is AI SEO services. AI-based SEO services involve optimizing websites for better search engine rankings using tools like SurferSEO.com. This role typically requires minimal social interaction and can be highly lucrative. For each project, you can be earning from $200 to $1,000. Now let's look at a real-life example. Ethan Wong from Singapore specializes in SEO services using Surfer SEO to enhance search rankings. He earns up to $800 per project. And by completing 4 projects, he's earning $3,200 per month. Ethan uses this income to enhance his business operations and fund personal development courses, enjoying the independent nature of the work. So we can see that AI side hustles are offering a lot of profitable opportunities for introverts who are looking for some independent work. And I would be really happy if you like this video and subscribe. And until next video, take care, goodbye.